Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber. Saturday, May 14th, 11:21 a.m. Blockchain stocks. A little bit about blockchain. It's a technology. Some companies create their own and use it internally. They're not looking to sell it. And there are some companies that use it where they're specifically for cryptocurrency, where they either operate a exchange for cryptocurrency or the individual crypto. Those use blockchain. There are some financial institutions that use cryptocurrencies. So it's very broad what blockchain is very broad. What blockchain is being used for is not one particular sector or industry, but it is all the cryptocurrencies and the cryptocurrency exchanges, as I know, use it. We're looking at the weekly charts. Each candle is a week. And we're going to see the overall industry, if they're trending up or trending down. Are they making new highs or new lows? Yep, a lot of people are losing money because they made bad investments, bad choices, and bad money management in their portfolio, but not babysitting it, stay on top of it. So now they're looking for, let's just say, garbage companies that they think are going to turn around. First, we'll look at Bravo, Delta, Romeo. That's the stock symbol. I'll say them phonetically. Bravo, Delta, Romeo. That was the high 3 years ago, $3.80. It was a penny stock when it's under $5. And here it is now, below 50 cents. It's garbage. Yep. Look at that. Took out a swing low from so long ago. That yellow horizontal line, let's remove that. And institutions that manage other people's money, they're typically looking for companies that have stock prices, let's say around the $18 or higher. That's not even considering they're also looking for certain value of companies. So again, just because a company has maybe a value of $30 million, $300 million, $10 million, $1 billion, it also determines the price of the underlying. Well, they're not coming here for these. Why would you want to be in something that has bad liquidity? That's not what the institutions want. Yeah, I'd recommend you investing, trading, and financial instruments. The big institutions are in as well too. Bravo, Tango, Charlie, Foxtrot. Okay, understand that? That has 4 symbols. Bravo, Tango, Charlie, Foxtrot. When the 4th symbol on a stock in the United States stock exchanges, doesn't matter, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, penny stocks, when they end, the 4th letter has an F in it, that means it's a foreign company. Yep, it's from another country. So we're looking here, it's garbage, it's nearly zero. Again, just because it has an F at the end doesn't mean it's going to necessarily be zero. Just let you know that. It's corporate headquarters, not in the United States. Bravo, Lima, Kilo, Charlie, Foxtrot, another one. Yep, garbage, look at that. It's listed, but look how many numbers till you finally get to a value above 1. That's a lot of numbers to the right of the decimal, garbage. And look at that. It was back here, 9 cents years ago, garbage. Bravo, Tango, had a high of $33. Wow, that was just last year. And now $1.72. Bad company, bad leadership. Bravo Tango Charlie Sierra, last year high, $11.05. It's already below $5. It's a penny stock. New low for the year, bad. It took out that swing low. Bad confidence. Yep, people dumping them. Bravo Tango Charlie Sierra, also look at that, $11.05 last year. The high this year, $8.88, and new low. Charlie Romeo Charlie Whiskey. This was a high flyer in the past. It was popular. $75. And new low. Look at that, trading between the $2 and the $1 range. Bad. Okay. Charlie Oscar India November. I will show you benefit of the doubt here that this company does not have a lot of history. They did a stock IPO last year. Of course, the company was existing before they did the stock IPO, but they did a stock IPO. Again, the symbol is Charlie Oscar India November. It's a cryptocurrency exchange. It uses blockchain technology. There you go. The IPO was all the way back there. It had a high of $429.54. And this week it made a new low below $50. Garbage. Again, it's a crypto exchange. You have stock exchanges, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ Stock Exchange, and other stock exchanges. They're in the business to make money, and most of them are making money. You also have casinos that make money. So if they're losing, that's a big, bad business leadership. So understand that there's a big financial, let's say hedge fund. Yeah, hedge fund. It's called ARK. I think it's owned, managed by Catherine Wood. She bought a lot of this stock the past few days. And that's called a pump and dump. Why? Because her people that she bamboozles to promote that, to say that she bought it. Since she bought it, she's hoping other people are kind of coming after her, buy it, make the price go higher so she could possibly be selling it. Just like when she's selling her Tesla stock, she'll announce she sold it. She's looking for other people to sell theirs because she might actually bought options to make up income on the downside. It's hedging. It's very smart. And there's a lot of novice people that try to follow those. That's bad because they are doing just what the pump and dump scam is catching them at. Now in November, India, Lima, Echo. Okay, $15.16 a few years ago. Now below $1. New low for the year. Garbage. Delta Sierra Sierra, again high $333.60. And look at that. Below $1. Garbage. Almost at the new low. So again, there's a lot of media companies that are big corporate mainstream medias that are interviewing those mutual funds, hedge funds that manage other people's money. They're giving them free airtime to pump their stories, their agenda. So again, listening to the business channels, I'd highly recommend you turn them off. And reading those publications that own by those big corporations, yeah, they are very biased in promoting what benefits their bottom line. So why would you invest or even take advice of what they're putting on the airways or in print? The charts don't lie, but they start. Delta Sierra Sierra. Yep, look at that. Garbage. Let's go into the next. Foxtrot, Tango, Foxtrot, Tango. High $11.29. Last year, it's not that long ago. And new low, below $1. Garbage. Golf, Bravo, Tango, Charlie. Wow, high $58.22 last year. New low for the year. Look at that. Took at that swing low. Bad. Here's another very popular one in the past. Golf Romeo Oscar Whiskey. High $12.89 this last year. And now look at that. New low for the year right there. Took out that low already. Bad. Yep. Slow grind down. So understand, here is a swing low. Let's label it. So in the future, if we take it out, we'll know. Again, that's a weekly candle swing low. And the swing low. We're getting closer to it because here was the low of this year, and we already took out the low of this year. So if you're bearish, trading bearish, that's a potential target on the downside. Yeah, it might pop here next few days, because next week you might have new investors putting money in for long-term investments, which is good money management, long-term investing, but doesn't mean they're investing in the good financial products. Mike, Alpha, Romeo, Alpha, last year, high $83.45. New low for the year. Took out these swing lows. Yep, bad. Let's remove them. And some of these will be delisted. Doesn't necessarily mean this year, but some of these will no longer be listed on the stock market in the capacity anymore. Mike Goff, Tango India. Yeah, it was garbage last year, below 30 cents. And it's still garbage. Mike Sierra, Tango Romeo. There we are, new low for the year. Understand, this was the high of the year. It trended down, went in a consolidation phase, making higher lows. See, this trend line had higher lows. That's good. Again, it was just a current retracement of the high of the year. If it was breaking above that and continue up, they consider that bullish. But again, it didn't prove that. So until it took that out, it was still bearish. And that's what it did. Did a retracement, made a dodgy candle there in that circle. Dodgy candle is considered indecision. Also, when it occurs in the top of a trend, it's even more suspicious that I would say either if you're long at close it, take your profits, or if you were in the trade, you could have considered trading bearish short. So I'm going to show you a little more in depth, full top down. This candle, and you're going to look here, it will show the volume when I hand over the candle. The volume was a little more than 1.5 million shares. Yep, and the high was $522.80. Going across, see this huge red candle? I show that huge red candle because these are smaller candles. This is a huge impulse move down. Huge impulse move down. Oh yeah, the high here, this did take out the high. So that taking out a high, that was good. But understand what's going on here. That huge trading range on the downside. And look at the volume. Over 200, over 2 million, 2 million, almost 3 million. So the point is, huge move down, impulse move down, huge volume, new high, because it broke that high on less volume, less new investors. And probability is here that a lot of people that didn't get out of it back here, that were still holding it, decided to say, this is the price they want to get out at. They got out. So more bearish buy. And look what happened. It reversed, went lower. Look at this huge volume on the downside. Again, new panic. Yeah, not good. Again, you may have a temporary retracement. Going up again. Again, bad. Riot, another very popular one. Romeo, India, Oscar Tango. High last year, $79.50. And now new low. Yep, new low for the year. Garbage. Sierra, India. The high there last year, $239.26. Look at that, new low for the week. And it has a huge tail. So even though we're above that right there, it has a probability it's probably going to retrace that. Look at this. See this yellow horizontal line? Swing low. So back here last year, that low was $56. And what's the low here? $56.15. So we did not test it. We stayed 15 cents above it. Would you like to see the volume? As another possible indicator, what is occurring here? Again, this is lower. This is just shy of missing it. And what's the volume here? Again, look here when I hover over it. Over 14 million. $8 million. Yeah. So this went down on heavier volume. Well, if you're going to retest something out of this low, you prefer, if you're bullish and you're doing a retest or a swing low, you would want to see it on less volume on the retest, showing that there's less sellers. And then when the next candle completes, and if it starts trending up, you want to see that new candle start trending up on higher volume. That didn't occur here. This candle, again, higher volume than there. Yeah, it may bounce through retracement. It didn't prove itself. That's bad. Let me give you an example. There's a clothing store. Let's say in the summer, massive amount of bathing suits they want to unload. And the prior year, the price is, let's just say $100 per bathing suit. And they have 1 million people come in there and shop. Next year, they have 5 million people come in and shop, and the bathing suits are $50. There's a disconnect there. You have more people, but the price is lower. Are they just trying to give it away for free? There's some kind of disconnect there. Yeah. So there's a new number. Again, I just showed you example. If more people coming in, that means there's more demand, isn't there? So why would that price not be higher? Because typically a higher demand for something dictates for higher prices. So again, there's a disconnect here. Hopefully you understand that example. Sierra, Oscar, Sierra, high $15.88 last year, and new low. Bad. Okay, we're almost done. We'll go to the last group. Hey, if you like what I'm sharing, you could do a donation to my Venmo and PayPal. They're on the link below the video. Sierra Romeo Alpha X-Ray, or join my Patreon. Look at the high last year, $7.29. New low for the year, garbage, under $5. Yep. Took out the swing low in here. And notice several of these candles I'm showing for the current week have huge wicks on the bottom. Yeah, so some buyers are stepping in. I don't know where they think it's going to go to. But just think next week, if next week it gaps lower, you think they're going to come out and tell you that they made a stupid investment. X-Ray November Echo Tango, high $11.22 last year. Yeah, below $5 now, garbage, new low for the year. Bravo India Tango Oscar, garbage. Yep, new low for the year. Charlie Romeo Kilo Romeo, $11 last year, new low for the year, below $1. Huge impulse move selling down. Let's see if that had large volume. Right off the bat here, from here last year, and you can see here, as we were making these fast sell-offs, big red candles declining on huge volume, panic selling, yeah, distribution, panic selling, not good. Many thanks for watching.